how to change region or country on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply show you how you can change your region or country on Instagram, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change our region or country on Instagram, it's relatively very simple to do that. But first of all, you have to understand why you are trying to change the region in the first place. Do you want to change the region to get recommended more reels and more content from those specific region? Well, you can do that without actually changing your region, and that is by simply going to the Explore tab, and then in the search box you just want to type in hashtag. So let's say you want to view pictures and reels from Canada, then you just want to type in hashtag Canada over here. When you type in hashtag Canada, you'll get recommended all of the reels and anything else related to that specific post or that specific country over here. You'll be able to see all of the recent posts, the recent reels and everything else based on that country. Similarly, you can do the same for other countries. But let's say you're trying to enable some other features to change your region or country on the Instagram application. You can do that via a VPN, which is also known as a virtual private network. So in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to open up your Play Store. Whether you're on Android or iOS doesn't really matter. You can use any of the given VPNs because there are lots of free VPNs app available today that you don't have to pay anything for. All you need is you need to deal with a bunch of different ads, but of course that's a given. So some of the popular ones include Turbo VPN or Tomato VPN, Turbo VPN Lite. Just think whichever one best fits your need. Once you install that specific VPN, you can open it up, connect it to a region where you want to connect your Instagram country to, and then just like that you'll be able to successfully change your region or country on Instagram. That's all it takes to change your region or country on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.